It's okay. It's okay. It's alright. Ian, what's wrong? You were crying a whole bunch a second ago, yeah? You're okay. It's okay. Shh. You're okay. Lady's okay. She'll be right out. Everything's okay. Don't worry. It's okay, buddy. Calm down. Calm down. You were like a balloon losing air. Your lady is okay. She'll be right out. It's okay. It's okay. Hey, shh, buddy, it's okay. Poor baby. Buddy, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Shh. Ow, wow, wow. Yeah? You're okay. Everything's fine. Funny dog. So he's crying because my mom's inside this house. An unfamiliar house that he doesn't know about. So he's making a fuss. Yeah? It's okay. She'll be back. He's missed my mom all day, and now she came back, and now she's in this strange house, and he's locked up in the car with me. Big yawn. Big whine yawn. Buddy, it's okay. It's not even hot out here. We've got the windows down. I've got you. Nothing bad is happening to this dog, let's be clear. He's just crying. Poor baby. I'm gonna play him back his own whines and see if he gets annoyed.